If you're already in the process of recruiting for your healthcare staffing agency and growing your roster, there is one essential thing you need to master, and that is creating job postings. Creating job postings is actually pretty simple, but there are some elements that you will need to keep in mind if what you're trying to do is increase your chances of attracting professionals and receiving applications. First, we have the job title. If you're looking to make a job posting, hopefully you already know what type of professionals you're trying to attract, so it's time to come up with a job title. For some of you, it might seem pretty straightforward, and you might be like, well, if I'm trying to attract an RN, I'm just gonna say registered nurse, but the reality is that you shouldn't just do this. The listing title is more than just the position title. This is how you'll attract candidates, so you wanna make sure it's not just accurate, but that it also stands out from the rest. This way you increase your chances of getting attention. A good idea, for example, could be to add something that you know your target market is going to be attracted to, like the hourly rate if you know it's a good one, or a benefit you're providing such as PTO or flexibility. Now, start out by talking about your company. When finally writing the job information, you want to make sure you start out by talking about your company and your company culture. However, as a staffing agency, you want to be cautious about the language you use. Platforms like Indeed will be quick to ban you if they have a feeling that you are not going to be the direct employer of the people that you're recruiting. Next, talk about the job opportunity you are offering. In this section, you will want to make sure you cover the following things. First of all, the job description. Make sure to keep it to the most important aspects of the job, and it should not be too long. Second of all, we have the location. This will be in accordance to where you're trying to source contracts or where you have existing contracts already. Then, if you already know the schedule, make sure to add it to the job posting as well. And finally, benefits. If you're part of our full healthcare staffing agency setup program, you know that one of the things we encourage our clients to do early on is research and make sure they understand what the expectations of the people they're looking to hire are. At this point, all you have to do is add a few bullet points that briefly describe the most attractive benefits you offer to your employees. Finally, close out by adding your contact information and what to expect after applying. A few additional tips I can give you is to not make it too long because no one is going to want to read it. Don't make it too short because it will seem unprofessional. And finally, review and update job postings as you start to notice improving opportunities based on results. Our goal at Passive Workforce is to provide entrepreneurs the information and motivation they need to get their healthcare business running. So if you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our website to learn more about our services.